Hello, guys. Good evening. Is it good evening or even good night? Hope you guys had an awesome Monday, start of the week. Nelius Wagogo here, your mentor and business coach. Today I'm gonna be talking about what you need to do to grow an audience here right on social media so that you can recruit more people into your team and also have more customers. All right, so as you hop on, let me know from where you're joining from. If you watch this on replay, hashtag replay, and I'll come back and shout out to you guys. So this week is an exciting week because first of all, it's Thanksgiving weekend, and a lot will be going on through this week. So at the end of the call, I'm gonna give you some good announcement that are gonna be coming along this week. So I'm gonna start with a quick question. So how many of you, if you joined network marketing and quickly you are told to make it in this business, you just need to talk to more people, you just need to find more people to talk to, and you as a as a new distributor or a new representative, you went out there and you searched for more people, right? Because that's what we've been taught. And you have made a list of 100 people that you know, maybe your family, your friends, people you went to school with. I know I did. I did a list of all those people, and quickly I don't even have 100 people around me because I don't know a lot of people. And what happened is I got frustrated, I got beaten down, I warmed out that whole warm market that I had. And what happened is I went on social media where a lot of people are hanging out, right? So I went again, try to look for more people because I know on social media, either on your Facebook, on Instagram, a lot of people are there. So again, I started sending messages and messages and messages. So how many of you, or if you are in that situation right now, that you feel like you're just running around, you're just out there trying to prospect people, trying to pitch people about your opportunity, and yet there is no result? If you feel that way, if you're in that situation where you feel, oh my God, I am so warmed out, I am just done, drop me a number one, because this live video today is for you. Drop me a number one in the comments if you feel this way, like I am just done, like I don't have any other people to talk to, or even the people I'm talking to, they are blocking me on social media, or even they are avoiding you on live, because they're getting tired of what you have to tell them, because all the time is about your product or about your opportunity. But here is the thing, if you want to build your business on social media and become an influencer, and you become that one person that people are looking out for, right? Like you just get people attracted to you like a magnet. It's a skill set, all right? It doesn't happen overnight, but there is a process to get there. Okay, and here I think this is a mistake that we make when we are getting into network marketing. We just come with a mindset that, oh, we just need to talk to people to make it in this business. 100% wrong. That is not true. Okay, you need to develop a skill set, and luckily enough, if you are in that shoes right now, you feel like you are done. Here's the thing, this week you're gonna have an amazing training by my mentors who have become top earners in the network marketing industry. So they're gonna be giving a training on how to become a top social recruiter in your business. All right, becoming a social enroller and an influencer. All right, not a salesperson. All right, so they're gonna be discussing how do you build an influence, right? How do you grow an audience and have an influence over that audience, that people are just effortlessly attracted to you. People are wanting to hear more of you, right? You are not the one chasing them. Okay, so how do you get there? What skill set do you need? What do you need to do, and how do you do it? This is what we're gonna be discussing, or this is what gonna be the training that's gonna be happening. it's a 3 days training that's gonna be happening during the Thanksgiving. Okay, so starting on Wednesday, this is when the training gonna be released, and I am so excited because this was me a year ago. I was in that bucket where I felt frustrated, where I felt I am so done. I just need something to happen. And this training was a breakthrough for me. And having the top people in the industry who are their top earners, they are number one in their network marketing company, coming live to, it's gonna be live training, showing us how to do this, how to become a social media influencer, not just somebody who is making sales here and there, but just being a top earner and becoming a social media enroller in your company. That's what they're gonna be focusing on. All right. So if you are frustrated right now, you have tried everything, you have made that list, you have sent 100 messages, 60 messages to people you don't know and no results, I am challenging you to get this training. So I'm gonna be leaving a link here where you're gonna reserve your seat. Okay, you have to reserve your seat so that you can be accepted in that training that's gonna be starting on November 20th. So you may wanna click that link, sign up for that training so that you get notified when the training goes live, because this is a training you don't want to miss. Okay, you don't want to miss this training, because I am telling you, this is the game changer for you. You can have everything else, but if you don't know how to grow your audience, if you don't know how to become an influencer on that audience that you have, then there's no way you can promote anything from them. That's why you be like, you are stuck in the same rank for a long time. You're not advancing, your income is not going anywhere because you are missing these key recipes in your business. So guys, if you want to become a social media enroller, right, you just want to learn your business on social media without sending messages to people, without having home parties, without having hotel meetings, like people are coming to you to enroll in your team all on autopilot. This is the training that you want to do. So guys, I'm just gonna be here for a few minutes. I just wanted to tell you that training gonna be going live on Wednesday. So go ahead and sign up, right, so that you get in the waiting list, because that training is just gonna be happening for 3 days, and after that is gone. So you don't want to miss that. So this is a training that all of us we're gonna be taking, because one way or another, you need to level up your game when it comes to recruiting. When you want to become a top earner and not just stuck in selling retail, you want to build a leverage business, a sustainable business. Then this training you want to take. So I'm gonna leave the link. Click the link below and get signed up. And I can't wait to see you on the inside as we grab those amazing nuggets that's gonna be delivered by Kate and Wheat. I don't know if you guys know them, but these are guys who are becoming influencers in the network marketing arena, because they are delivering the amazing training that each one of us in network marketing industry that needs. So sign up in the training below and see you on Wednesday on that live training. All right, so guys, have an awesome evening. I'll see you soon.